Hi everyone, my name is Vivek and welcome to my YouTube channel. If you want to see my upcoming new tutorials, please subscribe to my channel and hit the bell icon. This is the 23rd episode about JavaScript Basic. In the previous episode, we worked on a function scope. Today, we'll work on an object. Object is a group of values or properties. It can also have methods. Methods are actions that can be performed on object. We will learn more about object in the next session, but for now, let's see how to create object. So first, open the text editor and open the 23rd folder, create object. Open start and main.js. To create an object, first, we have to create a variable, so let's create them. Add equal to and curly braces. Inside this curly braces, we can add property and its values. So let's add our first property, name. You can add the value in string. To add other property, you can add comma and add another property name, age for example. Add its value. Let's add one more property, developer, and value called true. As you can see, in object we can add any data type, string, number, boolean, and so on. To access the property in console, we have to add console.log, person, which is our variable name, and we're gonna use dot notation, so add dot and the property name for example. Let's check the preview. Open the browser, open developer tool, go to console and refresh the page. You should see a value be big over here. Likewise, we can access any property. Let's try to access age. Refresh the page and you can see the value of age. It is also easy to change the value of these properties. You can simply write person.property name, age for example, and you can give it a new value, 30. Refresh the page and you should see the updated value, 30 over here. So far, we have only used dot notation. It is also possible to use square bracket notation. To do that, you can add person, add square bracket, and inside it, you can add the property name inside single quote. You can give a value. Let's add my full name for example. Also, let's call person.name. If you refresh the page, you should see my full name over here. Great! This is the end of this session. In the next session, we'll work on the object method. Feel free to comment below if you have any question. Also, please don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to my channel to get more videos in the future. If you want some hosting companies, you can check the link below. Thank you and see you soon.